Hey guys, so welcome again to my new Hover Air X1. This is my new toy, and papakilala ko lang din ang Hover Air X1 ay merong sa flying camera, pocket size drone, HDR video capture, and also they have a palm takeoff, intelligent flight pods, follow me mode, and foldable action camera with hands-free control. So subukan natin i-unbox tong bago kong laruan. So actually this is good for kids, not only for adult. So let's see guys. So ang gumawa nito is the 00 Robotics. So this is made in China. So nabili ko to sa Alabang Festival Mall inside this travel bikes. So bago lang siya na meron doong pwesto. So actually this Hover Air X1 is matagal na rin. I think this is released last year, October, like that. So yun nga, tungkol sa mga specs nito, meron siyang self-flying camera, pocket size drone, HDR video capture, palm take-off, intelligent flight pods, follow me mode, foldable action camera with hands-free control. So subukan na natin guys at buksan na natin to. So ang kinuha ko is black. So ayoko ng puti dahil masyadong pambabae, pero ayun. So regarding sa price, so ililist ko na lang later sa huli kung magkano ang price nito. But I hope this drone Hover Air X1 is worth it to buy ng mga gustong magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng laruan. So thank you again sa Travel Bikes sa pagkakaroon ng pwesto doon ng Hover Drone PH. So ang name ng legit ng nagbebenta nito is the Hover Smart Drone PH. So thank you so much for having this item, and sabi nila ako daw ang first buyer nila, and I hope to check this kung ano meron sa loob. So let's do it guys. Alright, so buksan na natin. Let's try to unbox first. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Okay, black. Right. So let's see. Wow. So guys, ito yung laman niya. So meron siyang box na Hover Air X1, and also battery charging hub. Wow. So good for 2 batteries, and also this is the battery. So ito lang ang laman niya. So ito wala naman. So ngayon tabi na natin to, bubuksan natin later. Okay, so ito na yung loob niya. So first buksan natin to kung ano yung tsura niya. Battery charging hub. So ayan. Okay. Ayun. So ano kaya yung niya? Hirap pa. Paano siya i-charge? C-type. So, yun. So, ganito lang siya kalit. Zero Robotics Hover Air X1. Okay. So, we're done here. So, meron tayong extra battery. Okay, isa. And yun. So, ito na. So, wala lang USB. So, ito, para dito. Wow. Okay. So, subukan na naman natin itong buksan. Itong Hover Air X1. Actually, hindi siya pwede sa pang 14 years old below. So, this is applicable and pwedeng gamitin ng teens about 14 plus onward. They are the authorized to use this drone. So, ito siya. Ito yung box niya. So, as you can see, 00 Robotics. And, ayan. So, let's open now. Okay. So, subukan natin buksan. Ayan. Okay. So, let's see. Yan. So, open now. So, meron tayo na ito. And wow. So, tabi natin. So, let's see now. So, buksan ko na. 1, 2, 3. Wow, another box again. It's too much. So, ito na. Ito na po siya. Hover Air X1. So, ano ito? Ano ito? Alright. First of all, meron siyang quick start guide. So, inside the quick start guide, meron. Saan natin? Okay. Yun lang. So, tabi na natin ito. Okay. So, this is before your first flight. A guideline. So, for your first flight, please fly outdoor for a better flight experience. For your first flight, please fly outdoor for a better experience. Please try to use it in a well-lit environment. Okay? Kung nakikita nyo, di ko nababasahin. Ayan guys. Alright. So, ito na. Wow, napakaliit lang talaga. Pocket size lang talaga guys. So, nakakatawa. So, ayun. So, ito na siya. And, ano kaya to? Wow. Mayroon siyang lagayan, no? Hover. Alright. And, USB cable. So, mayroon pala siyang USB cable. So, yun. And I think that's it. No more. So, ito na. So, ito yung inside ng box na meron. So, may extra battery. Yan. So, subukan na natin. Pero bago ang lahat, brief ko lang, a short brief description of this item. This drone is yung gaan niya, it's only 125 gram. So napakagaan pala na ito, guys. Kitang kita nyo. So meron tong 3-second palm take off, and also this self-flying camera is a simple and user friendly. So according to the description of this drone, so this is automatic and intelligent flight pods. So masusubukan natin kung ito ba is hands-free flying with hover, X1 pre-programmed flight path. So including hover, they have also the follow, zoom out, and orbit, bird's eye, and more. So it has my myriad of setting to customize each flight mode to perfectly meet your needs. So meron din siya advanced tracking and following that featuring precise tracking algorithms and follow speed up to 20 miles per hour. So however, this action camera effortlessly keeps up with you, capturing spectacular moments, making it perfect for cycling and other sport. So it also have the amazing image and HDR video shooting. So this camera, as you can see, this camera drone support a maximum of 2.7K at 30 fps and 1080p HDR video shooting. So meron din tong triple stabilization system, ensures smooth video effect and excellent fast motion capturing capability. Easy to record beautiful moments during hikes or journey. So ayun. So napakaraming specs niya kung masusubukan natin to later on. And ayun, meron siyang sensor and protected siya ng case itong niya, LC. So it's many to mention, and I hope this drone device is worth it, and di tayo magsisisi, guys. So I just recommend this if mapakita ko sa inyo ang mga mode niya later on. So alright, thank you guys for watching. Sa susunod na video ko, doon ko ipapakita ang test flight ng my new toy Hover Air X1. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.